Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how you should install the free plugin for After Effects where transitions, SFX, sound effects, everything is available. The best I have ever seen this kind of plugin. So please, it's my request when you are watching this video. First of all, you should subscribe my channel, then like the video, share it with your friends because I am giving the knowledge that every person does not give to you for free. Dear, I wanted to do it for pay, but payment I don't like it to earn money from you people. Please just subscribe my channel to motivate me to make this kind of informative videos for you. Okay, please subscribe. Okay, let's begin. Why you can see here After Effects 2023. I had 2021. I have installed 2023. Let me open it 2021. Then you will see it. Last time I've told to you how you should install the Layers 3. Okay. So I will tell you how it definitely works in the next video. Now every day videos will be coming. So please subscribe and like it. Okay. This is my request to you all. I'm here for you people to help you out in your documentary videos, how you should use these kind of things in your documentary videos, others. So please wait. Why is it not coming? Oh shit. I'm sorry, cause two software cannot go fast. I think it has much more problem, okay? Now, why it is 2021 version? Okay, let me open it. Now, Media Animate Composer 3. Okay, it works. Oh, it works it here. Guys, you can install it here as well. Okay, no problem. Why I have installed 2023 then? I must think about it. It is a little bit fast. So let's open it 2023 version. Okay, here is the version of 2023. Okay, next. Think this must be closed. Okay, and let's begin this one. Okay, I've made one project for you people about documentary, how to make a documentary videos like this. Okay, so here you can see in water it is good because if you can pull it, so it will hang up. Okay, your After Effects now it works perfectly. Okay, now here, when you click here, Animate Composer 3, wow, this is the thing I want to tell you how to install it, okay? Let's begin, okay? You can see transitions, okay? 2D or 3D, both are available. Now this is animations for you for free, okay? Now you can open this, okay? Now you can click here, so it will come like this, okay? So it will come with like this, okay? So these are the animations, okay? Then you can see starter, okay? So here you can see overlays, text, okay? Every kind of, like, here is the text, okay? Now you can see, wow, it's good. It's really nice. Believe me, it will work for you like this. It is a motion graphics, okay? Like transitions, you can click here. Okay. Oh, with sound effects, okay? With sound effects. Wow, I've never seen it. Let's click it here. Oh, okay. That's great. Overlays. Wow. Wow. Great. Okay. After this, one thing more. That is sound effects. Wow. You can see transition, everything is available. I'm really happy to tell you this, that it is really free. Now you can see, okay, this is the pack. But you can comment me to make video about this next video. So please comment me. So I will be telling you this kind of a documentary video as well. If you comment me, subscribe my channel, so I will tell you definitely it. I just made it like the example for you people. Let's see. Okay, have you seen? Now it is one like composition one, composition two, composition three. It's background. Okay, now you can see it. So I will tell you this documentary video how to make it really easy. So peasy peasy easy peasy. So please, how to make it really easy. Okay, please subscribe my channel and comment me for the next video. I should make a video about documentary, or I should make a video about this plugin I have told you. So please comment me and subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. Enjoy your life. Thank you. Bye.